What's up, y'all? I'm B-Dash. I'm about to show you 3 krump categories to get you started with krump. Can I get like some street vibes going on around here? Nice. First, you need your balance. If you don't keep your balance, you will be slapping people all over the face. So the first thing you're gonna do, spread your feet out and your legs. You wanna kind of just like get this slouch. You don't wanna bend over too much, or you don't wanna lean too far back. This is like your analog. Make sure you're in control. I'm gonna show you the shuffle. You're gonna go both legs in. Your knees basically gonna do this, and you're on your heels. So don't do the ball of your feet. Don't do this one. You're gonna do the heels. Now, to make that a little more difficult, you're gonna go at the same time. So you wanna go hit, 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 hit. You wanna do it as fast as possible. You wanna get that like, kind of like a 1 beat, so like 1, 2, you wanna hit that like, right? So since we on the stump, we're gonna bring our legs even higher to our chest. And you wanna make sure you stay in this balance point because you don't wanna look like this. It don't look too good, right? And make sure you don't try to do it fast and be like this. You wanna get the knee up to your chest. Boom. So now, you wanna get this other balance position. This is good for like body control. You can look cool, see? You can look like, whoa, where I'm at. Then the last final one is to catch your balance. It's almost like a kickball change, but you wanna fall and come back to the number 1 position. So if I'm here, here, boom, boom, follow me, all right? So on 5, 6, 7, 8, you wanna go 1, 2, da, 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 all right? 5, 6, 7, 8, ya, hit, D, D, D. Nice. The second thing you wanna do is your chest. You got 3 different ones. The first is a chest pop. It's not this one. So you wanna trap the air, let it go. Trap, let it go. Boom, 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 boom. Kind of like a heartbeat. Then the second chest pop, you wanna inhale, exhale. You doing all this stuff and you losing breath and you don't know what to do. You like, I'm super tired. So these are the moments you gotta use with your chest. Is like, really breathe, which is also good. You can move over and it can make you fall in different directions because it helps you like to look crazy, and that's where I get that from. Looks cool, but I'm breathing through my dancing. Then the third one, you wanna go chest, shoulders up, and put on your jacket. That's the best way to learn it first. So it's like, boom, it should look like that. Then eventually, you wanna do it without your arms. You wanna chest, just then your shoulders. So, boom. So first, second, third. Let me see it. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. Hit, boom. Cool? Third, your arms. And just to let you know, when you see these fingers, this is for talking. This is like your language. And you want to make sure you pointing right at each other because you don't want to look like cowboy guns or something. This is a jab, straight. So you want to go jab, jab, jab. Your left should be just as strong as your right. You want to be like this the whole time you're around. And it's like, you like where your left arm at? Oh no. Then you got your arm swing. You got a baseball in your hand and you throw it and you snatch it back. So it look like this, low, boom, snatch back. Or you can let it go. And you see how my body naturally follows? So you want to just be here the whole time. Like, since we went over all 3 categories, we just put those 3 together. So stump, chest, jab, jab, arm swing. You see now it's building up. So do that with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stump, chest, jab, jab, swing. Yes. And that one was control. Now let's do a loose arm swing where our body follows. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stump, chest, jab, jab, boom, boom. And now it's creating that motion. Like woo! Right? And that big stump, what I taught you earlier. I'm bringing my knee up to bring me not just this way, but it also brought me backwards with the arm swing. Let's put on some music and let's try a freestyle. Thank you so much for taking my tutorial. If you really want to take on Crump, check out my other tutorials and I'll see you guys next time. Out.